Bonjour and welcome to Oser Parler Français. So today we're going to talk about the vocabulary in French around the airport, à l'aéroport. So, parlez-vous français? Oui, only 10 minutes today. So how you say an airport in French? L'aéroport. 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 How you say flight? L'avion. L'avion. How you say boarding pass? La carte d'embarquement. La carte d'embarquement is the R. The R. How you say passport in French? It's a little bit the same. Le passeport. Le passeport. Good. Now level 2. How you say check-in? L'enregistrement. 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 How you say gate? La porte d'embarquement. La porte d'embarquement. How you say departure? Departure. Sorry. Le départ. Le départ. Le départ. How you say arrival in French? L'arrivée. L'arrivée. Level 3. How you say security check in French? Le contrôle de sécurité. Le contrôle de sécurité. How you say luggage in French? Or baggage? Le bagage. Bagage. Le bagage. How you say carry-on luggage? Le bagage cabine. Le bagage cabine. How you say checked baggage? Le bagage en soute. Le bagage en soute. Level 4. How you say delayed when your flight is delayed? Retardé. Retarder. Retarder. How you say cancelled in French? Annuler. 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 How you say customs in French? Customs. Sorry for my accent. La douane. La douane. La douane. How you say immigration in French? Well, it's a little bit the same, it's just the pronunciation is the R. Le contrôle d'immigration. Le contrôle d'immigration. A bit long, but okay, level 5. How you say seat in French? Le siège. Le siège. Or you can say la place. La place. How you say window seat? So when you sit next to the window. La place côté hublot. La place côté hublot. How you say aisle seat? La place côté couloir. La place côté couloir. How you say final call? When they call your name, say, oh, the flight's going. Dernier appel. Dernier appel. Now we're going to talk about, we're going to talk about sentence. I propose you 3 sentences you can use in the airport. So the first one is how you say, where is the gate? Où est la porte d'embarquement? Où est la porte d'embarquement? How you say my flight is delayed in French? Mon vol est retardé. Mon vol est retardé. How you say, here is my passport and boarding pass? Voici mon passeport et ma carte d'embarquement. Voici mon passeport et ma carte d'embarquement. Voila, I hope you like it and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.